In this video, I'm going to show you Vine coin price prediction. The price is currently 0.2K, and 1 day ago, it had a high increase of 32%. The market cap is more than 200 million. This crypto doesn't have a website, but it is listed on exchanges like Raydium, Meteora, Orca, BTG, Mexi, Point3bx, Bmart, and LBank, which are good options for purchasing this crypto. The chart for this coin shows that it has been trending since January 23, 2025, and its price has seen a significant rise. My prediction is that there will be more upward trending, followed by a rebound in the market. This is a moment to buy, as I expect more price increases. This is my prediction for buying the coin. And that was all. Subscribe, it's free.